Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you loved our last video on Python list comprehensions, you will like this video too. We will explore 5 other one-liners using map, filter, lambda, and more. Stick around and open your code editor and let's get started. So what's a Python one-liner? It's actually a single line of code that gets a job done. No loops, no multi-line blocks, just per Python elegance. Since we have already mastered list comprehensions in our last video, today we are focusing on other tools like map, filter, lambda functions, and some nifty built-in methods. These one-liners are perfect for quick scripts, data processing, or showing off in coding interviews. Overly complex one-liners can sacrifice readability, but they are sometimes efficient, and this efficiency depends on you. One-liners that produce intermediate objects, in example list map, may consume more memory than multi-line code that avoids creating temporary lists. So you have to be careful about performance and think about the trade-off. Lambda functions usually cause overheads, but functions like map or filter, usually implemented in C, are faster sometimes. Let's jump into our first example. First up, let's transform a list. Suppose you have a list of numbers and you want to double each one. Here's a one-liner using map and a lambda function. We have already covered this example for list comprehensions, and let's cover it with map and lambda. So numbers are 1, 2, 3, and 4, and our transformation is list map lambda x multiplied by 2, and which one? Which iterable? Numbers. Here's our list, which we will apply a transformation to, and print doubled. As you can see, the output is 2, 4, 6, and 8. So our numbers are doubled. Here's how it works. Lambda x colon x multiplied by 2 creates a tiny function that doubles a number, and map applies it to every element in numbers list. We wrap it in list to get a list back. This is super clean and avoids any multi-line loops. Imagine you are building a pricing app and need to apply a 2x markup to a list of product prices. This one-liner nails it. Next, let's filter this list. Say you want only numbers greater than 2 from the list. Here's a one-liner using filter. Let's type ignums list filter. Now we will write our lambda function lambda x colon x greater than 5, and again numbers, and print ignums. If I print this, x greater than 2, and again numbers. If I print ignums instead of double, I will get 3 and 4. Again, this function returns true or false. True for numbers greater than 2, and filter keeps only those elements. Convert the result to a list with list constructor so it's concise and does exactly what you need. Now let's work with strings. Suppose you have a list of words and want to combine them into a single string with commas. Here's a one-liner using join. So our words are defined as apple, banana, and orange. We are going to build a sentence with them. I have to use join. So sentence equals comma dot join words. And let's print sentence. It says apple, comma, banana, comma, orange. The join method takes a separator, a comma here, and combines all elements of words into one string. It's ridiculously simple but so powerful. Let's do some math again. Want to multiply all numbers in a list together? Here's a one-liner using reduce from the functools model. So let's import from functools, import reduce. You'll see libraries in the tail, but write the same thing with me. Numbers equals 1, 2, 3, and 4. After that, I will define product equals reduce lambda x y such that x is multiplied by y and on numbers. We are using reduce on numbers and we will use this lambda function. So if I print product, I can see the output is 24. Reduce applies the lambda x comma y, x multiplied by y function across the list, multiplying pairs of numbers step by step. It's like a rolling computation that gives you one final result. It's especially handy in financial apps for calculating compound values like multiplying growth rates. Let's create a dictionary from two lists, one for keys, one for values. Here's a one-liner using Dict and Zip. Keys, name, age, and city. Our values are Bob 34 and New York. Info, call it info. So we will create our dictionary named as info by using the constructor. So it creates a new empty dictionary. We will use zip to pair up lists into tuples and Dict turns those pairs into a dictionary. So let's use zip case values and print info. As you can see, name Bob, age 34, and city New York. It pairs up the lists into tuples and Dict function turned those pairs into a dictionary again. It's a clean way to build dictionaries on the fly. And that's it for Python one-liners. You have learned how to transform, filter, join, reduce, and build dictionaries in a single line. These tricks will level up your coding game. If you missed our list comprehension video, just check it out in the channel. It pairs perfectly with this one. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button and subscribe for more Python videos. See you in the next video. Keep coding.